Welcome everyone to my maximum volume rundown of all the earbuds I've reviewed. And let me be really clear, earbuds are super loud. Wireless earbuds are so loud, but they sound so good, we might forget about our own personal health and that of our ears. Now in this review, I'm going to measure the maximum volume of every earbud I've tested. I'm going to measure it by sound pressure meter during the song AC/DC song TNT from 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And I'm going to summarize OSHA's noise exposure guidelines. I'm going to present the volume readings in ascending volume order, and I'm going to use chapters in the video description so that if you want to go to a particular bud, you can quickly jump using those chapters in the video description. I've also updated my website with this maximum volume information, so it's also included in my website's earbud comparison tool. Now, OSHA's guidelines serve as a reminder to us all about safe volume limits and how long you can safely listen to loud sounds, which would include music. Take a look at this chart published by OSHA and NIOSH. NIOSH being the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, and summarized by SalineAudiology's website. I'm going to put links to all these websites in the video description if you want to find out more. But I think it's really helpful to understand everyday sounds and just how loud they are. And that'll be important to relate to as we produce all the volume measurements on all the earbuds. So in this graphic, you can see that 80 decibels is like a loud restaurant, just like people talking. 90 decibels is like a lawnmower. 95 decibels like a subway or a motorcycle, and 105 decibels like a sporting event, and so on and so forth. And at the top of the chart, you can see OSHA and NIOSH safety. OSHA and NIOSH. Oh my God, I lost it. At the top of the chart, you can see OSHA and NIOSH's safe exposure limits. So at 100 decibels, it's showing OSHA saying 2 hours is the maximum, and NIOSH is saying even more conservatively 15 minutes or a quarter of an hour is all you could be exposed to 100 decibels. So remember those everyday sounds and those safe exposure limits as we run down the earbuds, because many of these earbuds produce sounds well in excess of 100 decibels, and at least one of them is over 110 decibels. That is absurdly loud. Let's get on with the rundown. All right, well that wraps up my roundup of the loudest earbuds I've tested. And my general reminder that just because they can go that loud doesn't mean you should listen to them that loud. Safe listening all. So Zen out.